Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we are visiting the Aritzia store for the first time to check out some sweats and shapewear. First, let's take a look at what we gathered to try on. Now, as you may have been following along, I am on the hunt for the perfect sweats, and we stopped at Aritzia to try out the Sweatfleece collection. Now, I don't want something that's too oversized or baggy, so I tried on the boyfriend fit sweatpants, sweatshorts, and the cozy perfect zip sweatshirt. Now, it looked like they did have some other variations, some cropped sweatshirts or hoodies or things like that, but we just tried it on to get a general sense of the material, the fabric, the fit, the look. I tried these on in a variety of sizes, mainly just by eyeballing it. So I tried on the zip in a 2XS and the shorts and the sweatpants in an XS. These are all in a matching heather cloud white color, which is kind of like a lighter gray with a white fleece interior. And they all have the Aritzia logo kind of embroidered in somewhere. So on the shorts and the pants, it's kind of on the left thigh, right underneath the pocket. And on the zip, it's on the left hip kind of area, right before the cinch. Now, overall, at first glance, I was not too overly surprised by the engineering or kind of blown away by the design. As I mentioned, I do really like the Aritzia placement, and I'm a sucker for anything that's embroidered, as well as anything that's ribbed. So I really liked that the pants and the shorts had a rib section kind of along the side of the leg. Okay, moving on to the shapewear that we tried on. We tried on 2 colors of the Contour Crew cropped top. Now, this material under the Contour sub-brand comes in a lot of different shapes and styles. The Contour name itself is defined as Contour Luxe Ultra Flattering Fabric that is coveted for its smoothing effect and second skin feel essential for every body. Now, I must say I may have had my doubts before trying this on, but I actually loved these 2 tops. I tried the size medium, which is often not my size. I'm usually like an XS or an S, but I felt like the medium was very comfortable. And I tried it in Cruise Blue, which was the first color, and Aquamarine Green. They were both very pastel, very trendy colors. Okay, now that we're sold on these tops, let's go ahead and try on our sweats. So first up, I tried on these sweatpants with the zip crop. I thought the zip crop was the perfect size. I thought the sweatpants fit really snug and really right now, but that they have no opportunity to shrink. So I do feel like the pants run a little bit small, whereas the zip does not. Now switching over to the shorts. I can't say that I'm pretty used to wearing sweat shorts, but I didn't hate it. I really thought they were kind of trendy, and especially the fit I liked a little bit better than the pants because they weren't as tapered at the bottom, and thus they were a little bit less restrictive. Overall, I thought this was a really trendy look, and truthfully, that's kind of what I was expecting with Aritzia. Let me know if you have these and if you like them, or if you would advise sizing up, sizing down if they shrink. Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.